Hi all, this is Steve Mai, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and we're now looking at both the US dollar, Japanese yen, and also the Australian dollar, US dollar. And the US dollar actually looking slightly vulnerable versus both these currencies as we go through into late September and probably on into early October, and potentially looking for more bearish shifts in it. We still see for both these currencies them within a broader range environment. So for dollar yen here, the broader range 105.62 to 99.51. That's pretty much defined by the August range in here. So we're seeing that August range is kind of defining the market, but we do see negative pressures with the market down at the lower end. That was the BOJ sell-off in here, significant sell-off back from 102.79, just holding at 100.07. Real risk we feel whilst capped below resistances in here, 101 to 00 to 101.25, 101.50. We're looking for a challenge to 100.007, 100.05, and then psychological 100.00. But also a potential for a breakdown through there. That 100.00 level, also an option level. So potential for a breakdown and acceleration towards this low at 99.51. And we feel if you break down through here, that would signal, if we go to the bigger chart in here, the daily chart, through 99.51 would signal a bigger picture, more bearish shifts, and then probably open up a far more negative tone, certainly to challenge this post-Brexit low at 99.00. So definitely a negative tone for the US dollar, with real risk of it turning more bearish versus the US dollar versus Japanese yen. Similarly for Aussie dollar, US dollar, a strong uptrend in here from the early part of September. The market just faltering here of late, but holding above support at the low 76 is 76.07 to 75.95, and we're looking for a rebound from there through resistance here at 76.96 and 77.32. 77.60 is our critical level, and then we thought if we can get a break above here, that would then signal again, if we go out to the bigger chart in here through 77.60, this was the peak in here for again from back in August. A break there then would re-energize the intermediate term bullish theme, and we'd look for a much higher move then going into October. So real upside threat for the Aussie dollar, US dollar, downside threat for dollar versus yen, both looking for a slight dollar weakness coming through versus these two currencies. This has been Steve Mai, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.